Do you still remember your first girlfriend?
My first girlfriend was my wife. No, so lady clean, you develop principles. Even your language changes. We are shapega. Like ngoba bengisho ukuthi kwakwenzeka ukuthi nifethu uma ngabe isoka li right utho ukuthi uzosazana kanje unkosikazi wakho mhlambe sake sajola naye dala yabo. But uma uthi uyamfica umfice phele
Bona umuntu phansi ayingisabathe ngiyangapha leyashipani ngiyangapha leyashiplana ipani angisena plan angazi mele ngenze njani manje. What should be their approach?
Okay,
Hey, approach yenza ukuthi mfethu uma ungena ngale approach hamba besifazana.
Yeah, it goes back in
Uzakhe wena uzwe ube lento oyifunayo because uma wenza kanjalo you fall in love with yourself. And as soon as you fall in love with yourself, that energy umuntu wesifazane nayo uyayizwa and uyayibona. Welcome back to our podcast, and namhlanje we are doing our 4th episode. Can you believe we are in episode number 4 manje? Yeah, so welcome guys. If you are joining us for the first time, we say welcome and please subscribe, join us. If you are coming for the second time, for a third time, for a fourth time, we welcome you back. Siyabonga ngesupport osinikeza yona. Namhlanje ke sesihlangene angihambi ngedwa njengoba nazi uzokuvilakazi lo, kodwa ngihamba noZola Damoy mfowethu bengelela abantu.
Sanbonani.
Sanibonani emakhaya. Alright, okay, singenyanga yothando mfowethu February. Abantu abaningi siyababona lapha inkundleni zokuxhumana belungiselela yabo usuku olukhulu lezothando. But kuwena mfowethu, what do you celebrate Valentine's Day? And if you do, why?
What do you mean what to celebrate? Usho ukuthi like ngilithatha njenganosuku oluspecial.
Yeah. Does it mean like umhla 14 January, umhla 14 February, does it mean anything to you?
Yeah, it ngathi like not ukuthi like usuku mhlambe ngaze ngihlelele kangako yabo, but uma ukuthi like ngiseduze ngisekhaya like no mama usuke sekhona like ngisho ukuthi ngikhuphuke nalolofu lothando. Umoya wothando ngihambisana nawo now, it's not a problem. Just to spice up nje lo, but I'm a sweet person like so ukuthi othi ngithi kufaka extra sugar.
Personally, mina, I don't really celebrate umhla 14 February because I feel like I see a lot of people ngoba na umhla 14 February so treat isithanda sakho ngendlela special, which is fine, it's good, but I feel like umuntu wami mfethu deserves that almost every day.
Sure.
I try by all means ukuthi yes, it's a good reminder of how you should be treating umuntu wesifazana or umuntu wesilisa isithanda sakho basically, but I try to lento abantu abayenzayo njengamanje ngomhla 14 January ukuthi mina ngiyenze more often emntwini wami engithi ke isithando sami lesi. So ngiyabathokozela abajatshulelwayo nabacelebratewayo 14 February, but I do feel like isithando sakho mfowethu kumele usitreat kanje throughout the year, the whole day, every day. But into engifuna ukuza kuyona mazosha sikhuluma nje ngezothando ukuthi was there ever a point in your life where you were struggling ngabantu besifazana, like you were struggling ukuthola intombi?
Yeah, for sure. Okay, washimaneka kakhulu.
Usho kanje?
Bro.
So, mina ngihlangana nawe soyisoka labanyana. So, I never thought ukuthi wakwaba because I feel like it's very easy for you to connect with people. And because of that, then it's easier umuntu wesifazana ukuthi abe attracted to kuwena okanye kube khona leyanto yabo. It's news to me ukuthi wakwaba ishimani.
No, I mean, I grew up as a conversationist, yabo. Bengihlezi ngikhuluma nabantu because ekhaya ngoba ngangisho nje episode 1 ukuthi kwakunesitolo, so besina ukuthi ukuhlangana nabantu abaningi, like ukukhuluma ama conversation amaningi, like abantu bafika bezothenga utshwala yabo, like nje kuyakhulunywa nje, so khuluma, and most of the time ngenxa ukuthi bokudayisa notshwala bekukhona abantu abadala, so bofuna ukwazi ukuthi communicate nomuntu omdala as if ukhuluma nontanga wakho yabo, like accommodate kwi conversation. So I think ke ukuthi mangabe sewukuthi like sengihlangana ke nabantu besifazane ngiyeni ngibesinde ngokwenkulumo ngenxa yokuthi I think think I'm well developed ukukhuluma
was engaged as umuntu.
not like with like there was lot of like there was big something ebe attractive or none bengikwazi ukukhuluma in such a way i-confidence but beyingekho when it comes ukuthi ke sesingathandana naye bengiwa ukumkitaza nje and then bese sengishiya kanjalo.
But take me back to when you were still like struggling with abantu besifazane. Like, are there moments or situations, incidents that you still remember? Ukuthi ngangistrugglisha lapha mhlawumbe wawumesaba umuntu, like take me back to those days.
Yeah, ngangistrugglisha ngoba I think ngangithi mangifika ngifike ngeshele ngokuthi ngizofuna uthando emntwini wesifazane. And then I was struggling ukuthi ngingatholi le feedback engiyifunayo ngenxa yendlela engangeshela ngayo yabo. But isiZulu sithi ingwe idla ngamabala. I had to discover my babala ukuthi awapi and then bese ngikwazi ukuthi ngidle ngawo.
So insizwa ukwazi ukuthi ube grand kumele wathola amabala akho kwenza uzoqala bese udla ngawo.
Amabala wakho like nginensizwa nje engangikhula nayo ufola uyamazi usiphelele. Usiphelele sinokumkhotha kuloma kakhulu kumkhotha umfola ufola. That man was awangenabo abantu besifazana abaningi empilweni yakhe, but he was choosy. Makukuthi uzoba ne-girlfriend wayiba ne-girlfriend yangempela. Shaw cream mangabe shayile. So uma sihlangana naye into esenza ukuthi sizwane yiyona lonto leyo ukuthi ngamfundisa amabala awayenawo but ayengawa notice. Ukude ekudwebeni kakhulu.
Yeah.
So now why my approach amantombazane ukuthi mhlawumbe amchitha bo. Bese ngimtshela ukuthi mfethu yazi indaba ukude ekudwebeni and into uyidweba real. Yabo? Umuntu wesifazane manje umbonayo ohlangana naye just thatha inamba yakhe ubese imtshela ukuthi ndiyo artist ufuna ukumdweba. Ngiyazi ukuthi manje umdweba uzobuya ngeke uzohlanya ndrima imkhombisa isithombe sakhe. Yabona umuntu uzomnikeza isithombe esincane sebuya naso sesiyiphethe elikhulu sidwetshiwe.
Yeah. Hey, wathola amabala mfaka.
Mawuyinsizwa ke bengabe inalo umuntu wesifazane uLucy hayi uhambile. Ubese hambile. So I'm trying ukusho ukuthi amandla wamabala wakho mase uwadiscoverile kusuke ukuthi umuntu wesifazane mangabe ehleli kulo partner wakhe esingile engenaso isizathu esilokhu umuntu okwazi ukudisplay amabala wakhe usuke sengamwina lo muntu. And you'd rather lose uveze amabala wakho because the display is always beautiful yabo because it's unique. Into inhle ngenxa ukuthi ihlukile yabo. So if you are able to display amabala wakho kahle then you will win. So nami ke I had to discover ukuthi who I am and then bese ngiyidayise ngalo ndlela engizazi ngayo
ngalamabala lawo nawo. So basically into eshoyo ukuthi it's very important as umjidi ukuthi before uze kube ukuthi uyaqala uyachase ufuna amantombazana you must have something
find
to
yourself
offer. Find yourself something to offer. Utholela amabala ube nawo.
Because lawo mabala lawo you will improve kuwona iwona azokwenza ukuthi relationship yakho ihlezi noshukela njalo because bakuthandela wona. So njalo make wawathi waveza kancane sebeyakitazela bayajabula umama ekhaya ukuthi ngiyawazi wena baba yabo masawusho kanje uyakuveza amabala wakho yabo uveza amabala wakho.
No man, now I struggled a lot abaningi abantu besifazane phela amantombazane especially primary school, high school ngiyawathanda phela agcina ngawatholanga because of inkinga. But ngifuna mfethu ukukhuluma lana nomuntu oku-situation whereby uyazama ukuthola umuntu wesifazane nathi sizama ukuthola i-girlfriend. Simsize mfowethu ngoba phela sekunyanga yona enyangeni yothando. Ukuthi ke what do you think it's a good approach? More ukuthi kwi-situation where ukuthi manje ngiyadinga ukubona umuntu wesifazane. What is a good approach for you to take? The reason why I'm asking that ngizokutshela ukuthi I've seen a lot of guys man. Uthola ukuthi umuntu noba thola amabala usenawo but mase ibeka indaba yakhe mfowethu approach yakhe uyabona ukuthi no it's not going to work out. Like ngathini indlela enza ngayo I am guarantees iwin ukuthi uzomthola lo muntu wesifazane. So ngesingawe awungitshele mfethu uthi wena mangathi uyamtshela lo muntu lo ngathi ayiphi approach that sets you up for success uma u-approach umuntu wesifazane.
Yeah, but before ngiphendule kulowo mbuzo lo mhlambe nami ngiqale ngikubuze noma ngisho kanje ukuthi wena usukufunani emntwini wesifazane because nakho lokho kufunakala ukuthi sikuveze ukuthi
usukufunani.
Yeah, ufunani ufuna like ukujola nabantu besifazane just because uyayijolela nje yabo noma like you have a final goal ukuthi I want to get married or something.
Yeah, so I mean like more love mfethu, let's say you are struggling with amantombazane, you want someone ozomazi ngoba niya data and see ukuthi are they a prospect, are they ticking all the boxes for you ukuthi ungamshada yabo. So ngathini yeah umjida nje ufuna umuntu wesifazane and uma ukuthi umuntuogrand yes ungamshada. I'm not talking about, of course, umuntu who's like looking for abantu wesifazane so that they can get laid.
Yeah.
Although no, ngifuna ngikhuluma ngomuntu mfethu
ofuna uba nomuntu.
Othi ngifuna uba nomuntu but ayingisabathe ngiyangapha leya shipani, ngithe ngiyangapha leya shiplan ipani angisena plan, angazi mele ngenze njani manje. What should be their approach?
Okay.
Maybe approach enze ukuthi mfethu uma ungena ngale approach abantu wesifazane azomginqa.
Yeah. Yeah, it goes back into the show ukuthi it's knowing yourself because mawageja uwena uyabo like and outing nje like ngizokwenza like about because a lion principle. A lion mangabe seyichuzile into ezoyichase isuka ichase yona apha noba ngathiwa ngaqhamuka enye icije ifane nayo isuka ichase yona usho ukuthi iyayi prepare before iziyozingela yabo iyayi prepare ukuthi okay ngoba ngiyozingela nje okusho ukuthi nazi isilwane ngizosichuza for namhlanje ngisukele up until but abajita into engeke ngiyibone sometimes ukuthi abanaso isikhathi sokuncenga yabo umuntu nje ufika bo 1 2 1 2 and then yabo abanye mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe bapush ukuthi ama looks like ukuthi if I look like this then of course I will be attractive ebantwini besifazane but uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe bayawina but they don't carry a relationship for isikhathi eside because the inner them iyabese ithini iyakufihla lokubonakala ngaphandle ukuthi I know ungabe ukuwethembela kanti ufafa bulani.
Yeah, kunomjida mfethu okudutshana.
Yeah,
that was somewhere like eThekwini or something. Ngiyabona I think Facebook or Instagram, I can't remember, but it was a reel. Ushaya utshani uyasho ukuthi mfethu angisheli angumdingi umuntu wesifazane. Why? Because empilweni angafiki angabi la ngifuna ukuba khona and uma ngizosho umuntu wesifazane naye ngabe ngidlala ngaye uma ngithi aqoma umuntu ofana nami angabi nayo ngathini shuthi indlela engam-interpreta ngayo uthi yonke energy yakhe njengamanje uyifocuse kuyena uzakha yena uzibuild up yena so until feel as if he's ready to have someone else then angabe semthola angabe seqala ethola umuntu. So basically usho ukuthi nike kubalekile ukuthi uqale uzakhe wena focus kuwena nje. There's no ayikho inkinga asikhosimanga kwanye akusisona isono ukuthi as umjida uqala ufocus ekudevelopeni wena. Uzakhe wena uzwe ube ilento oyifunayo because uma wenza kanjalo you fall in love with yourself and as soon as you fall in love with yourself that energy umuntu wesifazane nayo uyayizwa and uyayibona. So if you did not work enough on yourself to a point where you don't love yourself, you don't respect yourself, umuntu wesifazane is not going to fall for that. Why? Yes, bakhona abantu wesifazane that are naive that would maybe because you look maybe you're handsome or anything like that but you never worked on yourself. But once you start now once you get to the position lapho khona usufuna ngempela umuntu wesifazane alright ozophusha naye ngempela work on yourself. Mina nje ngisho ukuthi i-approach right if is to work on yourself, love yourself in such a way that you are content ukhulekile ukuba wena ungenamuntu then you can start. Yazi khona umjito wake wathi uma sofuna mfethu umuntu wesifazane oqondile you must know what you are looking for. Number you have to have points, have 10 list, a list of 10 i-list ama-list awuthi ngifuna ukuthini you must have i-list yezinto eziwu-10 ekumele lo muntu wesifazane abe nazo. Mawukuthi mhlawumbe kumele bomuntu ojimayo, mawukuthi kumele bomuntu osephumelele empilweni, umuntu osenomuzi, kumele bomuntu at least one degree into ezikanjalo yabo. Abesathi into ebalekile ke mawusiyazi into oyifunayo wayibhala phansi 10 points then ask yourself ukuthi are you that person in qala wena. Be that person qala wena. Then you can attract umuntu kanjalo. Basically.
Yeah, like yabona like lo guy lo obukhuluma ngayo ukuthi he is a grass cutter. That's a principle that is using. Lokhuza ama-eagles into ebangela ukuthi abe inkosi zezinyoni, it's because they are using that same principle. Uma ngabe sebona ukuthi awekho obukhali awazami ayahamba prepare to ahlala entabeni ezikude. Fly high like eagles. They fly high ulayiza ohlala khona to like izize ziluze ilokhuza inzipho zayo nomlomo wayo iwulinde like ngaleso sikhathi ilambile ayinako ukudla yabo, but iyayiprepare ukuthi mangabe seyibuya seyizozingela ikwazi ibuye ngamandla amasha. So all what I'm saying, going back to that story ukuthi kukhona la ufuna ukuthi uzubalambele khona abantu besifazane, like you are preparing yourself, because if uzazi wena kuqala uzazi ukuthi who are you, then you are able ukuthi uwazi ukuthi yini ozoyifaka kuwena yabo. If like you know exactly ukuthi njenganomuntu ojimayo, what is it that you need? You don't just ukuthi mawufika nawo la dliwa amathumbu so uyangena khona mawufika, as long as kukudla yabo, you know ukuthi wena ungabonga nokubonga because akusikona ukudla oku right for wena lokho yabo. You know yourself crystal clear.
So I think knowing yourself is part of like it's one of the most important things for you to be successful.
And then knowing yourself, it helps you. I mean, I always encourage amajita abaseceleni wami ukuthi date is a very good thing.
Dating.
Yeah, go for dates, know a person.
Yeah.
Kwabantu besifazane 90 days rule, yabo. Ukuyohlala nomuntu ungalambanga. Because indlala inkinga indlala eyakwenza ukuthi udance la kungamelanga ukuthi udance. Indlala eyakwenza ukuthi ubaleke. Indlala sikhuluma ngelinye ilanga sikhuluma nje about indlala ukuthi
episode about indlala.
Poverty, because poverty indlala can be so many things. Indlala ingaba khona kuma relationship, indlala ingaba khona kuma finances, indlala ingaba khona at home, indlala ingaba khona emshadweni. Indlala
iba khona semoyeni.
Yeah, indlala it's a very big word esikhuluma ngalo ngelinye ilanga. But namhlanje ngilithatha la ekutheneni khona if yazi ubaba lapha ekhaya sefuye inkomo, wayithi ubaba ningaboyidayisa inkomo nilambile, because people they will negotiate to zero. Because nidayisiswa ukuthi nilambile yabo. So yile nto engisho ukuthi if you are going to date uzazi kahle, uhamba uye udate kahle, uyazi ukuthi uevaluate umuntu ukuthi and noma kuukuthi akuhambanga kahle angeke uzube enemy nomuntu. Yazi ukuthi why abantu bezondana kangaka nama exes wabo, it's because they jump to the final things bengazange bahamba ijeni. Yabo. Funa umuntu manje ehlukana naye in peace.
Sure.
Ukuthi I know ayibengeke uzisebenze lento le uyabo. But mawukuthi seninikele ngezinto ezibalekile ke then you start
so winking
sekushiye namabala, sekushiye nama permanent scars yabo.
Asengaso.
Angesasu.
Yeah. Do you still remember your first girlfriend?
My first girlfriend was my wife. No, I'm joking, man. I'm joking, but ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu engakwazi ukuzinikezela kahle kuyena it's my wife, but nganginawo nje ama girlfriend lawo.
Do you still remember your first girlfriend?
My first girlfriend no, I can't remember, bro. I can't remember, but into engikhumbula sabanga
mfethu awukhumbuli nje the first time uqonyiwe mfethu ukuthi uyaqala uba ntombi uqonyiwe intombi iyakuthanda.
Ingathi ngangiqonye khona kavilakazi.
Before kuphi?
No, izodresseka kalula. Izodresseka kalula kodwa kavilakazi nje sengibuye isibili.
So tshena abantu bathi ukuthi usibare
wakwethu. Kodwa ngisakhumbuli kahle nje like my first girlfriend, no ngisakhumbuli kahle.
Really?
Yeah, so.
Hey, but so I mean, I remember, man.
Wakuba lokubhayizisa.
Mfethu kunengane, mfethu igama layo hey, kunengane mfethu, igama layo kubizwa ngokuthiwa staff. And because I think she stands out because she was my first girlfriend, like my girlfriend are serious. Before then, ngangaba nawo ama girlfriend. Hey, no, man. In fact, no, I'm wrong. Ngangaba nentombi mfethu ethi uSilindile. In fact, intombi yami yokuqala
Ngasibiza isibongo.
Ayisibiza isibongo. Intombi yami yokuqala mfethu kwakuSilindile. Le ngane ngithola kanjani nakhona ngikhumbula kahle kamhlophe ngifunda grade 6. Ifunda yona grade 7, grade 5 ngemva kwami. So kunomjida wami umngane wami kwase primary ke sahlukana kudala ke manje wayeGoli ubaleni igama lakhe. Lo mjida lo mfethu yabona labantu abazalwa vele bangamasoka. He was not putting any effort. Ukuthola intombi mfethu wayethu enishanga intombi ezinhle zonke. To a point ukuthi uyakhumbula kudala esikoleni uthola uhamba ngama sports. Uza ku sports mfethu mase fika ku sports awunakantombi. Lo mjida kunentombi ezo2 zakhe ziyaxabana. He once asked me ukuthi siye kule ntombi zakhe zoyi2 le enye izo confirm ukuthi lo mjida ubaleni akathandani nale enye ithandana nami. Naye yavuma le kumele senza ngathina siyathandana kwenze lezo tso okay no bengazi.
Awayiphethe ngesandla.
Hayi cabanga mfethu ze primary. How do you do that as a primary? How do you do that? Lo mjida mfethu ukubona primary thola ukuthi kuzoba khona intombi ifika kahle beyihlala eGoli siyafika nje iyashisa bro. Abizophetha lo mjida. Baleni mfethu lo mjida mfethu makuthiwa nje kumele ngibhala amasoka phansi ondobeza emva. Beza ke. So basically le ngane ke uSilindile le like my very first girlfriend. Ngayifakela yena ubaleni wathi baleni lalela mfethu no ngene ingane. Shela naye ingane.
Uyakuplaka manje.
Uyangiplaka.
Uniyazi uthendela incane ukuthi awuthelela le project incane.
Ayihle nganya kwami.
Wayithatha ngezandla zombini phela ngoba wavalekile.
Ngakhangeza.
Yeah.
Mfethu hayi ngayishela ingane.
Shout out to Mfowethu. Akunikeze yo.
Umthombile. So ngithola ingane ngishele vele ngiqome. Ndoda. Kwakuvele mfethu mangivuka ekseni, bro, mangivuka ekseni, everything man, like everything is good. All is well. Kwavele izwe leli vele lishintshe mfethu ngathi manje I can't wait to get to school so ngizokwazi ukuthi ngimona. Yebo. Eyayinhle le ngane mfethu. I think asiqedanga ngisho nenyanga state. Ngoba tenzeka
maintenance.
Ubaleni. Akho maintenance. Mase itenze kubaleni wathi mfethu phela uphelezele lengane mayigoduka. Nami nginentombi engizobe ngihamba nayo. Asihambe nazo sobabili. Ngithi ngasho hayi ngempela ngiyiphelezele sihambe. So masiphuma esikolweni mina ngangihlala kulomphakathi ongapha yona ihlala kumphakathi ongala. So masiphuma sizohlukana but mina kumele ngihambe nabo ngiphelezele. Ngimphelezele bro engiyeza nala endleleni ukuthi conversation manje naku ningahlangana yabo kunzima nje. Engithi ngibheka leyo baleni eva kwami mfethu bajolisa kwabantu abadala babona ku-TV. Sihambe sifike isikhathi ukuthi angijikeke manje. Ubaleni bengitshekile ukuthi namhlanje le ngane kumele uyiqabule phela. Hawu ndoda, yabo? Bese angazi ngiqabule losifazana ngazi ukuthi uqabule losifazana into uwenza kanjani, yabo? Manje siya contemplate ukuthi ngizoqabula kanjani. Ngimtshela ukuthi sengizojika manje. Athi hayi no ayikho inkinga. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi fanele nawe uyazi phela ukuthi abantu abathanda naye baqabulana. So bese siqabulana. Mfethu ngikutshela ukuthi ngabala ngavele ngashaya u10 mntana.
Yahlula.
Ngashaya u10 ubaleni ungibhekile angibona. Masibuye kwaku-Friday masibuye ko-Monday washo athi wena uyisilimi izokushiya le ngane. Wena uyabheda le ngane uyenzi lutho. Ngempela that was my last my last like
meeting naye
with her. Then that was it, gone, done. That was my first girlfriend.
But manje ke mawungasho uthando lusho ukuthini kuwena?
Njengamanje.
Yeah, like manje so uyalazi like ushadile manje. Uthando nje like how can you describe nanokuthi namakuthiwa nalo lidayise mfethu udayisela umunye umuntu ohleli lapha because agcineni kuso abantu bayayifisa into enhle. Yabona nalo bangakhuluma kabi ngayo. yabo kodwa nje
kodwa deep down into idea uyayifuna.
Ungathini nje mangakuthiwa udayisela umuntu nje ukuthi love like genuine.
Yeah. It's a very good question. To be honest with you, engikufunde kakhulu njengamanje, number 1 ukuthi uthando angilazi okanye bengingalazi. And ngalo ngizama ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngifila as if ngisalifunda uthando, because mfethu kuningi sengifundile ukuhlala nomuntu mfethu wesifazane and okuthandayo, you get to reflect a lot. But into engingayisho mfethu ukuthi yazi umuntu wesilisa I feel like wayengadalelwe ukuthi abe yedwa. Now noba ngabe mfethu wenzani, you can be the best attorney, you can be the best engineer, you can be the best doctor, but if you don't have someone close to you ozo celebrate okanye ozo enjoya naye leyo nto leyo yenzayo, there is a void inside of you, yabo. So njengamanje uthanda indlela engilibona liyona in this era engikuyona uthandweni, it's like a companionship. Ukuba nomuntu mfethu wazi ukuthi noba izinto zingahambi kahle, when you go to them they will be like, you know for a fact what they will be like, no, it's gonna work out. No, you can keep pushing, I believe in you. Yabo, someone that more party azokuthatha kubeke phezulu ubone ukuthi no, yazi, you know what, babe, uqinisile, I can do this. Yabo, I feel like that's love. But on top of that, I also think ukucabangela omunye umuntu njengoba uzicabangela wena. Ngizama ukuthi uthando sengithatha njenganento yokuthi mfethu each and every day you don't just think for yourself. Before you make a decision, there's someone that you have to consider.
That's powerful, bro.
Before you do something, there is someone that you need to think about. Yabo. And I think ilingifundise kakhulu. I don't think before umshado I was not a kind person. I thought I was kind. But uthando mfethu lingifundise ukuba kind. Mfethu ukwazi ukubekezela, not necessarily ukubekezela, but ukwazi mfethu ukwenzani, ukuphila impilo yakho but ungayiphileli wena wedwa. Ukwazi mfethu ukuba indoda yile mfundisi eziningi mfethu ukuthi nje akunamagama.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa. Usho ukuthi insizwa nje ethi mayifika eqala ifika khona ukudla ekhaya ivela ikudla ikubhubhisa yonke uthando alifanele. Alifanele uthando insizwa. Those basic things uqala lapho ukubonana ukuthi hayi leyo ngeke izigana.
For now, ngaleso sikhathi akafundi. Yeah. Mfethu uthando manje it's about thinking about someone engasiwena, being selfless, being ukubeka omunye umuntu phambili ongasiwena, into ebengayazi naleyo. Mina impilo yami yonke mfethu before umshado I was living for myself. I was my priority. Into mangiyenza bengiyenzela mina. I used to do nothing that's not going to benefit me. Yabo, personally, directly benefit me. I wouldn't do it. If it's not going to benefit me, I'm not going to do it. But right now, sengifunde ukuthi even now business, just because of emshadweni kunezinto ezenza mfethu you're not going to get nothing. Ngisho ngathi fuck all. But it's fine. You're not going to
trying to show the attitude.
Yeah. Just show the passion, my guy. So umshado mfethu wangifundisa ukuthi uthando langifundisa ukuthi I can do something ngakho konke nginako. But I'm not going to get anything and I'm okay with it. Because maybe my wife somehow will benefit from that. But lonto leyo ke manje yaba mindset ukuthi even in my business industry, I'm now capable of doing something. Ngingezogaina lutho and I'm okay with it. Like enye into okay engayengeza, kindness, ukucabangela omunye umuntu, but also being a servant, ukuseva omunye umuntu without expecting anything in return. I think that's love.
I know.
To be honest with you,
I don't think ukuthi khona umuntu ozovuka ngashadi kusasa mangabe ukuthi ya-afford. But no, I want to take you back here manje. Hey, I'm asking you a lot of questions. Njani wena nje nomuntu okhuliswe umuntu wesifazane? I know ukuthi ubaba wakho usheshe wangabe bikho empilweni yakho. Njani umuntu okhuliswe umuntu wesifazane manje ifike kanjani kuwena, because you would find ukuthi more especially ngiyahlangana nabantu abanjalo uthola ukuthi bakhuliswe uma oyedwa, and then now when they get married uthola ukuthi isithombe benaso bokuma wakho ukuthi I want umuntu ofana noma, but uthola ukuthi manje you are comparing umuntu wesifazane ona 21 years of age, mhlawumbe ushade na 21 years, uma wakho una 56 years of age. You'd never find a challenge like that ukuthi like you are expecting a 50-year-old person from your wife. You never had that challenge at the beginning.
I think I have that challenge even now.
Yeah.
But I think what is helping me, because I mean, uma yabona indlela yona, my mother is an angel, man. My mother is, if angels exist, they are very close to being like her. Like in so many different ways. As manga you know, Mabutu, you can wrong her. She can forgive you on the spot. Like, genuinely forgive you. And now that's how she is. She's very kind. But of course, so that messed up with my mind, especially on my early ages of dating. Young affects date because I thought abantu besifazane basically they are like that. Abantu besifazane they are angels. Because mangibona besifazane umuntu wesifazane ngi-expose yena uma. Lonto leyo ingishaya kakhulu. But luckily njengoba bosho ukuthi ukujola kubalekile. Ukujola kubalekile. Lokho serious. Kubalekile ukujola because if zange ngijole lento leyo khuluma ngayo noma issues lawo abezongishaya emshadweni and I don't know umshado wangibuza uba kanjani. But luckily yangishaya kakhulu ngisajola. There is something, man, engabalance. And because as someone who struggled a lot with abantu besifazane on the early stages of my life, I took a lot of time trying to understand abantu besifazane. I got to a point where I'm approaching besifazane, I don't want them to be my girlfriend, but I just want to be friends with them so that I can understand. So in that quest of trying to understand abantu besifazane, and I realized no, man, I can't expect uma kubo bonke abantu besifazane engihlangana. Like it doesn't work like that. Umuntu kumele ngimazi ngimfunde and know ukuthi how are they as a person. I can't ngengikwazi ukubafanisa noma. But lento bengithi sangishana manje sometimes ukuthi uma mfethu did a lot of things for me, for us as like lapha ekhaya. Amajita sekhaya uma would do a lot of things for you. Do your washing, do like a lot of things like and I really expect that from Mutesfazan. Like I feel some type of way if she fails to do things for me because I feel like that's how she showed me and stuff like that. But sometimes of course I know I was lucky because she's someone who's very traditional as well. She does that like naturally and of course, which sometimes I'm going to feel some type of way, but I understand because most of the time
you are growing up.
But I think that is what I was. I'm not sure if it's answering your question.
Yeah, no, I'm answered, man. It's just that the reason why I'm asking this question, abajita abaningi esihlangane nabo uthola ukuthi there is this girl that is coming up on a potential and umbona ukuthi uyamdinga yazi ukuthi sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi ngoba siphila nje sonke kanje uthola ukuthi umchazela something but ngizwe side la but with understanding that I have uthola ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu orongo la uwena but sokunzima ukuthi ngikutshele wena ngenxa ukuthi indlela i-energy oqhamuke nayo ne-story yabo ukuthi
when you're convinced
you are convinced ukuthi lo muntu esifazane lo uyabheda but ngibe ngibona ukuthi this one ucompare is either ucompare unkosikazi wakhe noma wakhe or ucompare intombi yakhe noma wakhe okusho ukuthi if nawe uma wakho uyombuka at the age of 21 amanokuza
wayengekho njengalama wakho umbona njengamanje
umuzi uyakhiwa. Umuzi uyakhiwa. So kunabantu abaningi engihlangane nabo uthola ukuthi masixoxa ngibona ukuthi no this one mama's boy yabo expecte kakhulu uma wakhe behlangana nabantu besifazane.
And I think like there's a lot of guys who are like that. There's a lot of guys who are expecting their girlfriends to be their mother, to mother them around. Which is, I feel like there is a lot of, especially let me not put race in this, but there is a specific race man that I feel most of these guys are really like mother's boys, you know. And when they have girlfriends, they expect my girlfriends to be like their mother to them. I've seen it a lot. I've worked with these people. I've spent a lot of time with them. But I'm not saying all of them. Most of them baganjalo. So it happens ukuthi umomjida ube have an unhealthy attachment with umawako. So then once you have umdosfazane, you expect that same kind of energy between you with umdosfazane. Which is why I think it's very important. Mina into yangisiza, yabona ke mfethu mina into yangisiza. Namanje ngiyazi ukuthi ngihlukile. I'm very different from ubhuti bami mina as a guy ekhaya, because mina I became independent very early. Mina mfethu ngahamba ekhaya ngo-2011 or 2012 and when I la ngahamba khona I never ever depended on uma at all. I went out in the world, I was still young, and I started I learned how to survive without being dependent, to a point where azikho into eziningi sometimes ngiba jealous ngoba indlela connecta ngayo nabo bhuti bami, it's on another level, man. Yeah, do you know ukuthi mina mfethu mangisuka la eMaritzburg ngiye emakhaya, we can have a conversation for 10 minutes South Africa. After that it's gone, done. There's nothing.
But I think the wrong part.
No, so we are fine. It's just that we don't have that.
Yeah.
And you will find ukuthi ubhuti wami omdala uhlala emzimkhulu noma uhlala emzimkhulu even though bengahlala endaweni eyodwa. Mina ngihlala eMaritzburg. Yabo ukuthi ngude kanjani? I see uma once in a while. But do you know ukuthi ngiyasuka la eMaritzburg ngiyobona uma angijabulele kube mnandi bese ngimthathe siyobona uBrazo. Indlela azojabulela ngayo uBrazo bro kodwa ehlala naye emakhaya. To me it just doesn't make sense. It's like what? And I
just now if you kerishile lapho. It's something.
So at first I always felt like is it because uMahlompe angithandisisi kahle, but I tried to read the story and I was like no man, it's because asijwayelene ngaleyo ndlela.
Yeah.
Yabo uMathembane wangitshela ukuthi ukukhuluma noma ngendaba zeintombi. I would never do that. You know how difficult it was for me ukuthi ngitshele uma ukuthi ngicabanga ngiyolobona. It was a task, man.
Ngasuqala ubonakala.
But ukuthi uma azi ukuthi sengiyakwazi la phezulu komuntu. Into nje yabo ukuthi nami, but uMathembane like a few, I think last year or so, was that girlfriend yakho introduce mama. Crazy. I would do.
I go no more. Also introduce a girlfriend. Bro. No,
so the reason why I was sharing that is that I think because of that then ngasinda kulento yokuba ne-attachment ezobe senza ukuthi ngiyi-project kumuntu wesifazane enginayo.
But uyibonile kwabanye abantu ukuthi into
yes even on myself when I was dating into enzakalayo.
Ukhona like umunye guy engangimbona ukuthi mfethu uyacomplaina ngomuntu wesifazane, like ufuna ukuhlala embedeni and then nje kube ukuthi unuzigofela ifone and then umuntu wesifazane wenza yonke into but babuye emsebenzini bobabili.
Yeah.
So sho ukuthi baxabanela ukuthi icathulo uyibeka ngasemnyango zibe sezamgila umama.
Yeah.
It's a common thing. Yeah. So uyena wazi ukuthi uma wakho akakhulumi next uthatha izicathulo azibeke la sifuna ahlale khona. But umama una ukuthi ni how bra you know ukuthi izicathulo ahlala kuphi why singayibeki la ahlala khona. There's nothing wrong now. Yabo. So zaba nako and then mase ukuthi seyakuba hathe kuma stages high so zaba ukuthi yini enzima uthatha izicathulo uyibeke la kumele ngabe ehlala khona yabo ukuthi manje sekuyaxatshana sekuxatshanelwa ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi ube oparalyze uma wakho ukuthi izicathulo uvela ithathe nje without talking. Yabo.
Yeah, crazy.
So
I wanted to ask you it's so bad nje it's a tough one. But you are married and you are happily married.
Yeah.
But is there any female ukuthi mohlala phasi ucabanga ubone ukuthi okanye uzibuza ukuthi if ngashadana lo muntu maybe ngathini ngifuna ukubuza kanjani lo le ukhona umuntu esifazana onayo in your life, in your exes or people abantu besifazana oke waba close now okuzibuza ukuthi I just wonder if kwaba uyena unkosikazi wami ngabe kunjani manje. ukhona kanjani?
Let me see. Yeah, bakhona because I mean like ngoba ngangikwi-worship team esontweni bangakutshela abantu abake baba kuleso space leso ukuthi like there is lot of attention oyitholayo nanokuthi abantu abadala kuze kube khona abantu abacabangela bona ukuthi yabona mangase uthathe nalengane le indlela ekhuleka ngayo mangabe ikhuleka yabo ningaba right and mina only to find ukuthi ngaqhama nomuntu nje ngiziqhamukela naye eceleni ongena yo lento le bebe expected yabo but mina ngabe ngazi ukuthi yini ngangifuna emntwini wesifazane kuyena yabo because mina nganginako lokho ukuthi angifuni umuntu onalento enginayo yabo like mina bengisemakhaya khaya yabo so abantu besonta nabo bo abantu basemakhaya yabo so for mina nganginokuthi angimfuni umuntu wasemakhaya ngifuna umuntu okhulele kwelinye iside yabo so that if we are exposed endaweni esingayazi ezokwazi ukuthi yena alekelele kakhulu yabo if like there is a English that needs to be spoken then I know that my wife can handle that yabo if there's online stuff that needs to be done my wife is going to help me on that I can't ukuthi mangabe ukuthi umuntu uzongifundisa indlela encane ukuthi ihanjwa kanjani yona I grew up in that in low community njalo I don't need usizo njenganana but angisho ukuthi like umuntu oshade nomuntu nje there is something wrong but for me ngangifuna umuntu that we will partner kanjalo ukuthi and bro mina mawuhlala nami manje ubese ubuke nalo wazola wakudala like you can see a huge difference because manje I am exposed manje kwi family phila ngenye indlela so na ngithatha mina lokho kwami ngikholelwa kona bese ngithatha lokho mama engangimthathela sikuhlanganise ndawonye and then bese keep it thina so wenza ukuthi nike manje ngingabi naso lesa space sokuthi ngangishade nomuntu kanje because babe right kakhulu behlonipha kakhulu futhi benako konke it's just that babe nalento enginayo.
Do you think there is a lady that you owe apology? In terms of like, not necessarily would say you did them wrong, but you guys were like, man, you're going to make things work, but then you had your wife. You chose your wife. Like, umuntu that was convinced you. Do you have someone like that?
Bro. No. Mina ngingasho ukuthi there was this girl sesijwayelene kakhulu nefamily yakhe in such a way ifamily yakhe indlela babengethemba ngayo babenena inkinga noba ngathiwa ngangifika sasifika sihlala edining singahlali nasekamereni yabo we will talk ngikhumbula sasifonelana ngama minutes yazwa kwakusakhona ama minutes wa Vodacom ukuthi ngo12 after 12 kuya ku5 kune hour okhuluma free so sasifike sikhulume i-hour ngefoni yami sikhulume i-hour ngefoni yakhe yazwa avuke awonokela uma wakhe athatha ifoni yakhe yavuda khona nami ngivuke ngiyolokhoza ngiyothathe ifoni ngifoni for 4 hours kusukela ngo12 yabona lapho siyavuka siya esikoleni yazi masifika esikoleni
but then at that time are you guys dating or just friends?
We were friends bro. But I mean like the way the gospel was preached at that time lalikwenza ukuthi ube nefear yokuthi ni but like
ubone kanjalo
uthando liphila saka it's just that andibizi ngegama yaza makaze ngathiwa kwenzeke into angacollapse yabo so nanokuthi futhi ubefisa ukuthi ngifike kubo yabo ebefisa ukuthi ngifike kubo yabo even the I mean like the presentation of the food yabo indlela benginikeza ngakho ukudla
ubona ukuthi hayi uphethe upresent of front of
exactly and I mean like if you are in the ngaphambili esontweni abantu abadala bagcina sebekuthanda in such a way ukuthi nomzali wakhe ubesishiya asethemba ukuthi ni
hayi
angibanikeza isikhathi sabo
akanishini odonshana nomoya ingcwele
akashiyi soda so ngicabanga ukuthi ni uyena umuntu kanjalo yabo but ke siyahlangana naye manje futhi siyaxoxa kakhulu
Ukuthi sahamba kahle,
ukuthi sahamba kahle because azange sikhulume ngothando.
Into yenzange ifikelele
Kodwa naye ngiyazi ukuthi la ikhona like uyinakho ukuthi ni if sasikhulumile
ngabe izinto
zehlukile but asikhuluma.
Yes. All right, okay. Hayi ngikuzwa kahle. No, let me not ask this question.
And enye into kuphela yangisiza mina njengoba ngisho ukuthi like ngengifuna unkosikazi njenganalo. Mina ngisheshe ngamthola upartner ngisayiseyintwana, yabo? Lokho kungisiza ukuthi ngingabi saba expose entwenini because bengibona ukuthi what is it that I'm still looking if I'm getting enough love, yabo? And bangithi enough ngisho ukuthi there was a lot of potential ukuthi let's see what is going to happen next.
What do you think is the right way emasontweni when it comes to dating? Do you think indlela esikhule ngayo thina emasontweni sikhule ukuthi akujola, awujoli, awujolisi, awuthintisi, right? But we've seen abantu abaningi bashaya leyo nto because kuba khona abantu thina we rebelled sajola, but thinabantu abangazange bakwenze leyo. They were, law abiding Christians, and sibabonile most of them thola bafikelele ukuthi bashada nomuntu ebangamazi, mhlawumbe thola bamkhwethele esontweni and things don't work out because maybe they are not compatible, right? So in your own understanding or your own opinion around dating emasontweni, what do you think is the right way? Should abazalwane, youth members date bavumele ukuthi bajole, or should we continue the old way ukuthi angingajoli emasontweni, umuntu akenze courtship for 6 months abese yathatha nakhona kukhethelo umfundisi aphuphe okanye akhethelo umfundisi?
No, mina bro will be very loud ekuthenini abantu mabayeke bejole. Umuntu ngeke uzombambe
abajole abantu.
No, abayekelwe abantu bajole. Angisho ngoba ngikhala ukuthi mhlambe lo umuntu wahamba. I'm not crying. No, ngisho ukuthi no abadedelwe mfethu abantu bethandane, but lento yothando wena Zuko, uthando, one of their colors is respect. Yabo? Sengisho even out of church, man. Abantu ukuthi like nale gama lithi soka ngelinye ilanga ngofuna ukuthi sil detail ukuthi yini soka. Isoka, it's someone that protects people. If umuntu nje like omoshi izinto impilo zabantu like then awusilo nisoka manje. I think kumele ukuthi sikutholele elinye igama. Awungene emasokeni. If you destroy, yabo, awusilo nisoka. Mawuyisoka kufunakala umphathe kahle umuntu wesifazane, like uthola ukuthi ni Zuko bengithandana nomuntu wagcina waba unkosikazi wami.
Sorry, so ngesingawe yini soka?
Mina ngesingami isoka umuntu wesilisa okwaziyo ukuthi ahlale nomuntu wesifazane abe comfortable, umuntu wesifazane mayihleli in terms of ukurelaxa, uyazwa, and then imizwa leyo uthande ibe fulfilled, uyazwa, and then isoka ke lele elimenza ukuthi umuntu mayisebuyela ekhaya azibone ukuthi ngiyintombi futhi nami ngowesifazane ngimuhle ngiyazethemba.
Abaphi abantu laba esizitshela ukuthi amasoka kodwa ngingabona amasoka?
Labantu esizitshela ukuthi ba masoka yilabantu abathi mabebalisa izitori zabo ubone bazange zibasize ngalutho
at the end of the day.
Yilabantu awuzofika ekutshela ukuthi ni yazi mina ingane esikolweni yayikanjena nanje yayishawo mina, uyabo? Uthola ukuthi banezingane all over. Lobo busoka obunjalo most of the time, angisho ukuthi like all the times, lobo busoka obunjalo it takes away from you wena otshela ukuthi uyisoka, because manje uzogcina soba nabo mama bengane abaningi and then you will need ukuthi ni kube nezinto eziningi ezithi step by engqondweni yakho, yabo, and then so ube yisoka nje lokuthi ni so uhamba ubalisa. Yazi khona abanye abantu uthola ukuthi they are living on the street, uthambe uthola ukuthi uma wengane yakhe uphila impilo tops manje, but if you are looking at their standards uthola ukuthi asafane, yabo. But uma uyisoka, isoka it lives with principles. Alikudla ukudla ngoba sekubekiwe phambi kwayo. Yabo, alikudla ukudla ngoba sekubekiwe phambi. They understand that the value.
Uyazi ukuthi kunomehluko phakathi kwesoka lamanyala nesoka yeqiniso.
Yeah, elamanyala ke alisebenzi.
Ngoba usizanga lutho ekugcineni.
Alisizanga ngalu kahle kuthiwa ibeli ngekho ngabe impilo ingcono. Yabo ngabe impilo ingcono. Because sesihlangana nabantu besifazana abanolaka ngaka nje is because isoka lamanyala. Ngifuna ukuthi siyithathe siyise kumakhaphuli. Yazi ukuthi isoka lamanyala kuyenzeka ukuthi lishade. Isoka lamanyala ke i-problem is likwazi ukuthola umuntu omuhle babukeke bebahle as a picture. But uthola ukuthi into abayiphilayo ayisekho inhle, alinalwimi, alinalanguage, alikwazi ukuvini uzoba ubaba onjani mangabe ukuthi isoka lamanyala. Why do you gonna teach? Because you don't have examples. Phela lento okwazi ukuthi angithi kuba isoka leli clean, you develop ama principles, even your language changes, uyashapeka, yabo. Like ngoba bengisho ukuthi kwakwenzeka ukuthi mfethu uma ngabe isoka li right uthola ukuthi izuku ngisazana kanje unkosikazi wakho mhlambe sake sajola naye dala yabo, but uma uthi uyamfica umfice phelele. Kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ngathandana nje naye isikhathi yabo. Bese ngiyarelease ke ukuthi mayefika ngimtetele nje nomuntu ocelekile. Now uze ushaye sobu ukuthi ningathola umfazi, but ngiyazi mina ukuthi I can see my teachings. Isoka into enjalo.
Ngiyakuzwa. So amasoka abantu abadingakalayo emphakathini.
Abantu abadingakalayo kakhulu amasoka ngoba if amasoka ekhona okusho ukuthi nezinsizwa zizoba khona.
Sure.
And then isizwe buke ukuthi isizwe sihle kanjani ke
le. Isizwe sifundisekile.
We want that yabo. Sengisho
if South Africa bagcina amasoka ngabe i-gender based violence ayikho kanje.
Ngaba yikho kanje. Isoka ngeke enzele imbeke umuntu wesifazane isandla. Isoka ngeke limethuka umuntu wesifazane.
Yabo.
Isoka angeke lize limdubula umuntu wesifazane ngenxa ukuthi umchithelile. Because liya understand isoko ukuthi kunomunye umuntu obese hamba kangcono kunalo. Isoka ke lelo. Isoka liyakwazi ukuthi likhotha amanxeba because lifuna ukufunda esimeni ukuthi okay kule incident eyenzekile mina okuphe bengikwenza ngwrong, so that if I go to the next chapter ngiya ngumuntu ongcono.
Wenza kangcono.
Ngiyenza kangcono.
Hayi sewudinga amasoka.
Adinga singakhuluma ibanga elide ke ngamasoka. Singakhuluma ibanga elide ngamasoka.
Sure. Mfethu ngeke asivale. Do you have any last words before we close? Sisakulomoya wothando.
Sisanomoya wothando. Well, into engingayisho nje ukuthi ukuyihlonipha wena kwenza ukuthi nomuntu oseceleni ekuhloniphe. Umuntu akekho umuntu ongakudelela ngisho umuntu wesifazane makuukuthi wena uyayihlonipha kuqala. But wena ovula igap yokuthi abantu basingenele isinomi kanjani. But if you are fencing your house, you are telling the next person a message without ukukhuluma, because the communication is not only verbalizing. Ungakhuluma ngento eyiningi oyivezayo, like njengoba ngisho ukuthi if you are fencing your house, so yasho emntwini ukuthi angeke usangene isinomi kanjani. Uzodinga ukuthi imvume ngene. Yenzeka ukuthi mhlambe kwenzeka ukuthi ugcine umuntu wesifazane uhlangane nesoka lamanyala agcine seba nengane, yabo. But don't allow leso simo leso sokuthi sikudetermine ukuthi udinga umuntu onjani empilweni yakho, yabo. Usangaba umuntu wesifazane o strong, but uthola ukuthi unengane osonayo nomunye umuntu, yabo. But kufunakala ukuthi uzazi wena kuqala before uzuye kulowo muntu lo, so that ezokwazi ukuthi akuhloniphe futhi mangabe ukuthi akakudeserve, wena obalekile kakhulu kunomunye umuntu oseceleni.
Siyabonga. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure you subscribe. Angisha ngesizulu. Uma enjoy ngesulini. Uma uthokozele udaba la namhlanje, qinisekisa ukuthi uyasubscribe, uyayilike le video, uyishare nesithanda sakho. All right guys, thank you so much for your time. Please make sure that you join the community, and let's meet again on our next episode. With that being said, mina ngithi ke hayi Ngiyaphuma.
Mina nje ngingakusho ukuthi bafethu ucommunicate kwenu lapha kulokhuza ku-comment section ukona uzosidevelopa nathi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi size nama-conversation angcono nanokuthi sizwe ukuthi nina what is it that you are suffering. Sengisho ukuthi noma ungangayibeka ngokuthi yenzeka kuwena but uyenze nje umzekelo sengazathi it's something that you have heard or anything mangabe ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uyivele nje ukuthi wenza ngayo, but ucommunicate kwenu noba active kwenu kuzokwenza ukuthi sikhule kakhulu sinikeze i-content enamandla kakhulu kunakulo. This is just the beginning. Kukhona la siya khona.